to you with a homeschooling video. Today we're going to be talking about IXL. Now, as you can see, it says K through 12 comprehensive curriculum, but it actually starts at pre-K. So that's really cool. But let's get into it. Let's start with the diagnostic section. This is where you can see where your children are or child, whether they're below grade level, above grade level, on grade level. Um, and so this is my son. So I'm only paying for math and language arts for both of them. I really like it because it does recommend the skills that they need to work on based on the diagnostic. You can print out the diagnostic plan. It shows you like the grade level that they need to work on for each of the skills recommended. My daughter is still doing her test at the moment, um, and I really like it. So this is where she is math while still currently doing it. This is her language arts, and again, you can print it out. I plan to do beginning of the year, middle of the year, and end of the year testing just to see their progress. And I like it because in the tabs you can see their progress, trouble spots as they're, going on with their lessons. So, um, this is for third grade. Really, really like it. Again, and I think these double letters are for like if they're exceeding on the regular level. I don't know. Um, and this goes back to the weekly plans, go back to what I said. If you want to use it as a curriculum, you definitely can. They break everything down into 32 weeks. So you literally have lesson plans at your fingertips. Um, Give it a second. I don't know why it's acting like this now. Okay, here we go. So, sorry, my son is playing with his trucks and cars, but um, so yeah, so they're broken down into weeks, and this is what each week you should be working on. So this is for third grade, and so 32 weeks. That's what 8 months. About 8 months. So that's really really cool. Now, if you go to language arts, again, same thing, first and third grade. Again, don't be stifled or worried about the number of skills. Um, it does have like the games and the videos. These are the things that my son has to work on. Um, Reading strategies. They give you all of it. Vocabulary. I love it. Like grammar, everything. These are the games. And just like with my son, my daughter has the same thing. So it does short and long vowels, blends, syllables, irregular words, reading strategies, just everything. So I don't know. I might use this as my main curriculum. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, like I said, they do have like the videos that they can watch. They have the games, which are really cool. Um, but yeah, that's about it. So I know it was a quick video, um, but IXL is really easy to use. Now, I will say it might be a little pricey. I'm only doing two subjects. So after they're running a sale, 20% off. After I'm done, I would have to pay $19.95, and that's for two kids, two subjects. If you want each additional subject that you want to add on is $4. So if you want to use that, you are more than welcome to. If you also have the option to use only one subject for two kids. So it's a combination of things, and I like that. So I think this is going to be one of those curriculums that I use for however long we homeschool. But yeah, I hope it was helpful. I hope I didn't go too fast. I'm still learning. So as the year goes on, This is just the beginning. So literally there it's empty. So probably in about 4 months, I'll do like a middle of the year so that you guys can see it. And then in another 4 months, you guys can see the end of year progress that we've made on here. But until then, I will see you next time, and like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy my content, if you want to see more. Thank you.